This is why I love making PS3 tutorials. Let's do this. Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a Black Ops 2 mod menu, SPRX style, to your modded PS3 Fat or Slim. I'm using the Jericho engine, so if you want to follow along, go to the video description. I'll have a link and you can download that zip file, which is here on my desktop. So let's go ahead and right click and extract it before I forget. So I'll just extract it to its own folder. Now, there are two ways you can install a mod menu to your PS3. One method is just dump the files on your USB thumb drive formatted as FAT32, plug it into the rightmost USB port on your PS3, and then use like a file manager like Multiman and copy the files over to the respective directories. Or the second way, which I'm going to do today, is use a FTP program, FileZilla, and do it that way because it's easier for me. I don't have to walk as much, get to my PS3, and it's just real convenient to do it from my computer to the PS3 in a couple seconds, and boom, we're done. So let me show you how that works. So you got your favorite mod menu. I'm using Jericho engine, SPRX. So let's go ahead and load a file FTP program, FileZilla. Okay. Now, my PS3 is on right now, so I just know that the IP address is 192.168.1.133. Quick connect. We are connected. Excellent. So let me go ahead, and I'm going to go to my desktop here. And here's my Jericho. Okay, so inside the Jericho folder, there's three files really. You count the README file. There's the EBOOT.BIN and the Jericho.SPRX. So on the right-hand side here, we're going to navigate the PS3 file format structure. So let's go to dev_hdd0. And let's go down to the temp folder, which is TMP. I already have the Jericho, but I'm going to override it right now for example purposes. So go ahead, double-click on this guy, Jericho, and it's going to come up with this prompt here. So go ahead and transfer it over. I get to overwrite because I had it existing. So now what I'm going to do is we have the EBOOT file. So let's go back to the root here, dev_hdd0. We're going to go to game. Now my Black Ops 2 game, the region code I know just happens to be the BLES01717. Yours might be the same, or you have a USA version. I think it's a different region code. So go ahead, find the game folder that corresponds to your Black Ops 2. Go inside it. Go to user directory. And then here, just copy and paste your EBOOT. Now, what I like to do just for safety measures is I always rename my original EBOOT.BIN like the vanilla version. And I just rename it as Orig, just in case if I ever need to go back to it. So now what you do is you take the EBOOT.BIN, left click it, drag it over or double click it, and then overwrite or rename it as necessary and then copy it over. And then that's pretty much it. So once you have done transferring the file, then all you gotta do is go up here, click on this button, disconnects from the PS3 server, and you're good to go. And then all you gotta do is literally, if you want to play online, you do the psninja, and you also do the psnpatch, sign in to PSN, load the game, and then go ahead and play. Actually, remember to mount your game first, and then do that spoofing stuff second. And then that's it. So in the next portion of this video tutorial, I'm going to show you my TV and how I did it, and it should be a lot of good times actually. So with that said, let's jump straight into the next portion of the video tutorial. Let's do this. Okay, so this next portion of the video tutorial, let me show you how to play online properly and with the mod menu. So let me log into my account, and then what we're going to do is we're going to run the psninja. So let's go ahead and do that first real quick here. Here we go. Once we have run psninja, we are going to run the top three options here. So that's going to be, in a second, I'll just walk through it. Wipe history, replace history, make history read-only, and go down to exit. Once we're back at the X and B screen, we're going to go back to the psnpatch. Okay, come on, here we go. We go up to psnpatch. Go ahead, press and hold down X until you hear the console beep, and then let go. So I'm holding it down. It beeped, and I let go. And then once we're back at the X and B screen, go ahead and sign into PSN. That helps save some loading times later on, possibly. So I'm going to go ahead, go to my PSN here, sign in. And we're good to go. Let's go ahead and load the game. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is make sure you mount your game first and then do all that spoofing, clearing the history process, and then sign in. Don't try to sign in and then run the homebrew programs. That's a pretty bad idea. Okay, so we see this menu. That's good. That means the Jericho engine has been installed properly, or whatever mod menu you want to install. That's the SPRX style. So let's go ahead and go online. All right, cool. Let's go public match, find match, core, team deathmatch as an example. And I'll show you how it works. It's pretty simple. Once you're inside the game, just like a little pop-up box, as a reminder, if you want to activate the mod menu, you press up and R3 at the same time. So that's how that works. Okay, let's go ahead. So press up and R3. Go ahead, do whatever you want. So let's turn on red boxes. I don't know, steady aim, VSAT, no recoil. Sure, why not? And just go ahead and go crazy. So this is just one example of a mod menu Jericho engine. There are tons of other mod menus online. Next Gen Update is one website forum where you can go get some mod menus, or maybe other YouTube videos as an example. Come on. Anyways, that is today's video game tutorial. You guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.